All Hdanywhere products are subject to strict quality control processes during manufacture, but we add this one last human-driven step called pre-flight check, or PFC, to ensure that our MHUB and zone processors, hardware and software, are in perfect working order before they leave our warehouse in Malvern, UK, for premium installations around the world. The process starts with assigning a serial number and MAC address to the device, then uploading the latest operating system and firmware. Once done, this is checked to ensure that it is all loaded correctly and is ready for first boot when installed in the field. Physical testing then commences, testing all inputs and outputs and switching using popular source devices and commercially available displays to closely replicate real-world installation conditions. Depending on the model, this 40 to 60 point procedure tests all IO ports and all video and audio inputs and outputs on the MHUB and its receivers in a variety of combinations. The results are recorded in our database for recall and advanced troubleshooting purposes. When all the testing is done, the product is repackaged, a quick inventory of all the box contents is completed, and a PFC sticker signed by the technician is applied. Our seal that we take your business seriously. PFC by Hdanywhere.